Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to permanently stop the Temu pop-up notifications on Android for that app. But first, don't actually open the Temu app, just access your settings, and here under your settings go ahead and find your app section, and then come here and tap on manage apps. Okay, now here you can just search for Temu and click on that, and once you find Temu, here under app info, I want you to just go ahead and scroll down until you see permissions. Now under permissions, you should see notifications. Just tap on it and you'll see show notifications would be toggled on. If you want to disable each one specifically, you can do that as well, or you can just toggle the whole thing off, and Temu notifications would be permanently stopped from the app on your Android device. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.